Hello. This is my very first iPhone. I have to admit, I always kinda hated iPhones. Let's see if this changes. There we go. There's this special nice box, very well protected in this huge thing there, so that we can have this awesome experience. So now let's take this thing out here. There we go. Okay, so we can toss this away now. Okay, so we have the serial number over there, you know, and it's 256 gigabytes. Okay. Oh no, we don't need our sharp object at all. No sharp object. Okay, you see guys, this here, there's a latch. We just kind of pull it. That's new. I haven't seen that before on the box. Oh. I wonder how many hours those marketing people spent kind of to get the box not to open right away, to take it as long as it does. Like, okay, I almost got a little bit frustrated, but that shit here, and now it says designed by Apple in California, of course. What do we have here? Oh, of course, white apples and that shit. Oh, we have a SIM removal tool. I think we will need this. We will need SIM removal tool. And there's some fucking shit. I don't know what that is, but that looks amazing. These marketing people really did well. So, and it's all covered in shiny fucking plastic. What do we have here? It's our nice little Irish charger, and there we go. We have to be careful with the iPhone now. We have our, what's it called? This little thingy there, yeah. Okay, cool. So, okay, that's the charging cable. Very good, and now it's empty. Oh, now it's getting serious. Now we have to take off. Oh, it's really not, I didn't expect it to be that nice. Okay. Oh, it's in one piece. It's in one fucking piece. The plastic is in one piece. Fuck. Nice. Oh, isn't that nice? Oh, can we start it up somehow? Oh. The last time. Oh, whoa, there's an Apple logo there. Can't believe there's an Apple logo on my phone. That's not real. Oh, it's really, really nice. Hello. Yeah. Good. Yeah, and we think we're done here. I will be doing the setting up later on. Thank you guys. Bye bye.